Welcome. In this quick guide, we'll install the Java Development Kit on Windows 11 and make sure everything works correctly. Open the official Oracle website and navigate to the Java Downloads section. Choose the latest LTS version of the JDK. This is the most stable and recommended release. Scroll down to the Windows Downloads area and select the installer for your system. Click the Download button and wait for the installer to finish downloading. Run the installer and follow the setup wizard. Keep all default settings, they work perfectly for most users. Click Next and complete the installation. Great. Now let's verify that Java was installed correctly. Open the Start menu and type Command Prompt. In the terminal, enter Java version. If you see version information, your Java installation is complete and working properly.